na book ni mu na page bi o hɔ page in boldly watch there chapter 8 abortion. And I chat Yvonne Nelson waja to me as our friend abortion papa paze why ye be pa na
DJ Paco Rich.
Busia one fray ye yembra one sunny day one training pay championata aya winda yoga commander fire oja. Yes me church baby a we from a Paco to the rich. Now I have a fancy YouTube na Zorucha Guagana or ye internet and other kanina yes a brown and yes a brown. Nenda in the trends and a some kodo ye between Mr. Michael Owusu Ado and oye Yvonne Nelson or call Agri Memorial Lowo Gwena Chado Yezim inti Yabaka. Into over the weekend and on him Yvonne Nelson or the book launch the title day I am not Yvonne Nelson. I am not Yvonne Nelson. Now whoever she is me I can't tell. Now book in muna page bi or page in boldly watch there chapter 8 abortion. And I chat Yvonne Nelson waja to me as our friend abortion papa paze why ye be pa na or making mention of Izinibia asaman sisi and Erica I'm alleged that now they can't come on or chinebi washing age in a court into yeah very careful. That tema based rapper Sisi one of the biggest musicians Ghana onyene fa yefun onyene nyinsane chede or one style bi ma nyinsane poem ma chede o ka chene de papa iduana iso we no we fifiri na bobu chairman sende no onye radio no girlfriend crowd baby na yi de pay enumara. And then allegedly, people are pointing fingers to Sarkodie. I mean, Ghana web import post a YNH there or ye obede. Now, me bo read the kakra from Ghana web. I say Twitter has been buzzing following Yvonne Nelson chilling expose on her experience with Ghanaian rapper Sarkodie, and which means Ghana web wa confirm there. True. Tema rapper na wabonizin or a Sarkodie. As a part of Yvonne Nelson's book disclosed a point in her life when the rapper impregnated her and refused to accept responsibility, and the situation compelled her to get an abortion. Yes, inti damasemi in a 2010 na damasemi see, and a lot of people are in shock because when you medanka obedeze. The definition of fine gentleman responsible that is enka or your biddy. In final work at a sun copy a G to me there Yvonne Nelson in Woba enka 2010 up to now say Yaya Martin and Chadan Kasa Sarkodie and firstborn over how many years? Since year 2023 internet Chadan Kobe then about 10 years if or ye true there the Yvonne Nelson rekane no corridor ye na ba na obiare nkezi bia nka na wonza and I try nka obede ne ba when pa ye pictures of or ye book no ni launching celebrities be one red carpet which are pictures inti the man say me CCR or chokoba or internet and all. A lot of people are showing concerns. A lot of people are disturbed about Sarkodie. You know, a married man. Yes, you know, a married man. A CCR or beautiful family. Na the man say me or be in sound do. How is it going to be? Like, obotum the problems are by new relationship man. Obi be said that the man say me Tracy or your bar or you the man say me no zashe ni mwa. But I would also say there, let us not fault Obidi. You understand? If truly this is true, as a young coming man and all the stage you be in your life, one can in who future and clear, inti you getting a baby on board and you think that it might be a challenge to you and it might divert your dreams and all that. But I feel feeling your pioneers, Sarkodie, abort banana would have been a great news. It would have been a great news, and then things would have been still better as he is now. It wouldn't have changed anything because Boshad, I'm timing a Yvonne now, so you're very hard-working, talented young lady, Anna now Orba. But minim de biana unhun as a wife material na de obi obotum na abobra kwanyima na de bibi day. Into no kitchen, I say, copy post to no two bills, a cytotech na noma azimbra. But I mean, a lot of people are in shock. Because this was not a news they were expecting from the Sussex camp. Yet, Sarkodie will come out to say something about this whole thing, if it is true or it's not true. But I mean, for a woman of Yvonne Nelson caliber to write this in her book, and I'm sure that she's been through a lot. And Basha Yvonne Yobia Oba, somebody who always speak about men as irresponsible people. She's one of them because I feel that her mom has had enough experience. No papa, no naze. They never got that kind of connection, and as they read about certain things or that to internet and all that. Even yesterday, Father's Day, in Kofu Pin, I was in a worry shame day. Yvonne Nelson in post on the Father's Day. You understand? Inti se bibi dam so bakanwa. And I am being free. I am a bot dodo. Me free. I am a bot dodo. Inti we'll find out more. We'll find out more. Even the Sarkodie so ban on komobi damana on pre no mbakasa. Ija. Washa ne bia wa recording you be one or the reply now to more. But I feel that this is something that calls for a better reaction. Yes, there is nothing wrong if he comes to accept responsibilities. Then maybe he was young and he was naive and he wasn't ready as at that time. I mean, let us not be hypocrite. Yeah, Mufa, we have similar stories. You understand? And to say, yeah, brother Penguin, years back, or yeah, mistake he be, another more baby, damn it, be anymore. Let us not fault him too much. Yes, men kadoya as a papa do. They be a no babbings and na a general them situation anymore. Bet so yeah, then what tune in and put a winger one see or dome na way ya bet it looks like Daman Salmon Yvonne is still in pain, so no and you'll be brave part there. Brother Michael, 2 minutes and a fat damn situation anymore. In theater for our retain, and this is what is happening on the web, on the internet, Twitter, CCL, Reblaze or all Yvonne Nelson or be the Sarkodie wabada number 1. They were Bonidogi wings and I want jet. Some are recording, and I think this is another fucking sense. Huh. It's okay.
DJ Paco Rich.